Good morning and welcome to today's episode of Channel 2 News. In this episode, I will be talking about giant clams with the help of my little cat here. Giant clams can be found anchored to the sea floor or to coral reefs in warm tropical waters. This is important because this means that they're more than likely not going to be found in deep waters. Giant clams are temperature sensitive and would not be able to sustain life in certain temperatures. They also have to be physically attached to something. Since giant clams are omnivores and eat both plants and animals, they prefer a more lively place to live with more food action. While clams have both male and female reproductive organs, they're not thought to reproduce. When reproducing, giant clams can release up to 500 million eggs into the water, which is external reproduction. The eggs quickly become fertilized, where they then float around and develop for about 12 hours until the larvae are ready to hatch. When clams hatch from their eggs, they are merely free-swimming trochophores, but their shells quickly begin to grow. After only about 2 days, they enter the next stage of free-swimming larvae called veliger. 8 to 10 days later, the clams make it to the next stage called pediveliger. Next, with the help of metamorphosis and sedimentation, the pediveliger stage turns into what is called a juvenile giant clam. It stays at this stage until about 2 or 3 years, until its shell is big enough and protective enough for the giant clams to settle on the seafloor, or anchored to the coral reefs where they will continue to grow until they're considered adult clams. That's the life cycle of giant clams. And this is my cat. So, bye. We quit.